Hi everyone, so it's another day of learning, and today you are going to have your grammar lesson. As we start, I want you to read these words on your screen. Fortunately, unfortunately, surprisingly, happily, kindly, quickly, cleverly, easily, bravely, sadly. All these words use ly or ly to create an adverb. The ly or ly is attached to the root word to describe how something is done. I said root word. Example: fortunate, happy, kind, clever, brave, sad are root words. Then we added the ly or the ly. Then now they are adverbs and telling us how something is done. As revision, this is adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb or doing word, an adjective, a describing word, or another adverb. These are some examples of adverb plus the suffix ly, and it tells us how something is done. Please open your book on page 107 and let's read the helpful hints. Adding ly or adding ly. We can add ly to the end of some words or root words or base word to give us words that describe how something is done. While adding an, we can add an to the beginning of some words or root words or base word to make them say the opposite. Now, what are these ly and an? The ly is an example of a suffix. A suffix is a word part added to the end of a root word. So the suffix that we have today is ly, suffix ly. So we add this word part. It's not a word, it's a word part. We added this suffix ly to the end of the root word, while the prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a root word. For today, we have learned or we have studied about prefix an. Again, a prefix is also a word part, not a word. And we added this word part to the beginning of a root word, that is prefix. These are some examples of prefixes and their meanings. Again, a prefix is added before or at the beginning of a root word to make a new word. The prefixes examples are pre, it means before; mis means wrong or bad; re, it means again; and today you have learned to use prefix an, it means not. And before you do your grammar activity for today, let us have a recap. Add suffix ly to the root word to create adverbs, and it tells us how something is done. And add prefix an to words to create the opposite of the word. Now, this is your grammar activity for today. Exercise 1. Add suffix ly or add prefix an to the end or to the beginning of these words to make a new word. Then find the meaning of these words in your dictionary. Number 1, happy. Number 2, bad. Number 3, loud. Number 4, fair. Exercise number 2. Put the new words you made from exercise number 1 and put these words into these sentences rather. Number 5, the boy did blank in his end of term tests. Number 6, the gun went off blank and frightened the birds. Number 7, last week James was blank but now he is happy. Number 8, that was a fair test but now it is blank. Exercise number 3. Write a sentence using each of these words. I want you to write a sentence on the lines using the words quickly and unkind. Thank you and have a good day learning, everyone.